In this video, we're going to show you how you can get magic items in Clash Royale with a full breakdown of everything that you need to know. Before we dive into this, if you could leave a like on this video, share it with some friends, and of course subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, we'd greatly appreciate it. It really does help out the channel. But if you're wondering how you can collect magic items here in Clash Royale, here's everything that you need to know about getting wild cards, books, magic coins, card potions, and so much more. Starting off with wild cards, you can actually earn common, rare, and epic wild cards from the lower tier lucky drops. However, legendary, elite, and champion wild cards are much harder to get. They have a much lower drop chance. Drops you can earn by simply just playing the game. You get 4 of them every single day just by getting wins, so definitely make sure to check those out. Now you can also earn wild cards through the Pass Royale, global tournaments, Path of Legends, and Trophy Road, plus elite and champion wildcards can also sometimes be converted from other cards in the game, which is pretty interesting. Moving on to books though, books are some of the rarest magic items, and you can get them through special events or through the 5-star lucky drops, which gives you a random book if you are lucky. Books are super hard to get. But you know what's even harder? Magic coins. These are by far the hardest thing in the game to get for free. Magic coins are only available through paid offers and they've never been offered for free. So if you do want to get magic coins, you are going to need to buy them. But card potions, on the other hand, can be found in the free track of Pass Royale. To actually access it, go ahead and scroll over to the shop, go up to Pass Royale, and click on this thing that shows all the rewards. And here's all of the Pass Royale items if you are interested. Now, edit wildcards are going to be accessible through the Path of Legends by converting other card types once your inventory fills up, and world charts you can typically get around 2 per season through the boss realm, and they also appear occasionally in special events and lucky drops. But that is every single item in Clash Royale. If this video did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and check out the channel for even more Clash Royale tips and breakdowns just like this. Have a great day.